So again, I'm going to go to, I'm going to unhide our ceiling and make sure that our demo layer is off. So I'm just going to go, we'll just go through our same existing new like that. That's easy enough just to click on this layer state button. Bouncing around a lot. All right, so let's snapshot some interior elevations that are in color. For this one, I'm going to go with our perspectives, some interior perspectives in color. So color interior perspective right there, and then let's see what that comes up with. So there it brightens up the ceiling and yeah, just kind of makes it, yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's turn on our entourage. That's turned off by default, but I'm just going to turn it on, update this. All right, so that's pretty cool. And then we can take like a snapshot over here of the TV. This is all kind of cramped. All right, so snapshot that and do color interior perspective. There's another like that. All right, so there, and then like this. All right, snapshot and color interior perspective. And then we can just, you know, kick this over there. So we can just export only these last couple. We got our section perspectives like that. And, you know, we've already exported all of these and put them in. Now we're exporting the next batch. And so let's kick these out, save the model. And, you know, here I have my project for, oh, we say, okay, got it. Let's take a look in layout. So, you know, we don't have our drawings scrapbook open, so we're in good shape. And this is going to finish exporting, and then we'll be able to drag and drop those new section perspectives and our color perspectives. Those are going to be cool. If you like this video, click the BD button to subscribe to our channel. Every week we post new videos covering SketchUp, LayOut, Lumion, and our ConDoc Tools extension. If you are a professional architect or interior designer, you are going to love our tutorials.